करते हैं, पर we will compute E closure for a different and a bigger NFA in this numerical today. We have already computed E closure for a small NFA. Now we will take a bigger NFA in picture and see how E closure can be computed. Okay. So I am drawing an NFA over here, which is having some more number of states as compared to the previous NFA, and then we will be computing E closure for different states. Now this is an NFA which is having so many E moves. We can enable the states Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, and this is the starting state. Now let's compute E closure. So instead of writing E closure, now I'll write only epsilon for a state Q0. This means that we are computing E closure for Q0. So as the algorithm says, E closure of Q0 includes Q0 itself plus all the states which can be reached by applying epsilon. So what are the states which can be reached? Q0 पर epsilon आएगा तो हम कहाँ जा सकते हैं? Q1 पर जा सकते हैं. अब Q1 पर epsilon आया तो कहाँ जा सकते हैं? Q2 पे जा सकते हैं. एक ये निकल के आया. सेकेंडली Q0 पर एप्सिलॉन आएगा तो Q3 पर भी जा सकते हैं, तो Q3 को भी इसमें इंक्लूड करेंगे. तो दोनों पाथ हमें देखने हैं. वी हैव टू चेक ऑल द पाथ्स व्हिच आर पॉसिबल फ्रॉम अ पर्टिकुलर स्टेट on applying epsilon. So there were two paths. One path was moving towards Q1 and Q2 and other path was moving towards Q3. So we have to include both the states, all the states which can be reached from a particular state on applying epsilon. Similarly for Q1, we check it is Q1 itself, comma Q2. For Q2, there is no such path. For Q2, there is no such path. If we want, we can put it null and we can also make it Q2 itself. There is no harm in putting Q2 itself also. Then for Q3, it is Q3 itself only, and for Q4 also it is only Q4 because there is no path which is moving from epsilon. So let us repeat what we have done. We are finding E closure for a particular state. So E closure for a state means the state itself plus the states which can be reached on applying epsilon. So on Q0, when we are applying epsilon, we can move to Q1. From Q1, we can move to Q2. And from Q0, we can move to Q3. So all these states, Q1, Q2, Q3 are included in epsilon of Q0 on E closure of Q0. Similarly, on E closure of Q1, we can have Q1 and Q2. On E closure of Q2, Q3, Q4, there are no outward arcs which are having epsilon. तो इसका मतलब क्या है कि Q2, Q3 और Q4 से epsilon के लिए कोई भी मूव पॉसिबल नहीं है. तो उसमें हमें और किसी स्टेट को इंक्लूड नहीं करना. We can include only the state itself. Though because this is not a set, this is the state itself. When we will be converting them, we will be removing these E moves. So E closure of these states will not be required. पर अभी हम उन्हें लिख के चलेंगे कि E closure of these states are the states itself.